Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new task to your project on the Asana application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button and select your project, so tap on it, and after that you should go to the to do section and tap on the plus icon. Here you should type in your task name first to this section and click on the create button after typing it in. You can also select a person to whom you want it to assign this task to, so you should type in its name or its email address into that bar at the top, and after that you can also select the due date, so the deadline. Click on the done button at the top. You should also write a description about this task, and you can also add subtasks to it by tapping on this plus icon, and here you can type it in, and you can add pictures to it, attachments, and basically that's it. So if you are done with adding all these information, click on the create button in the middle of the screen in the right side. So here you can see that to-do entry has been added to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.